In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pair your Steam account to other devices such as TV or another computer. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, by pairing Steam to other devices, you'll be able to play or to allow remote play of your games across devices without the need of downloading your games afresh once you switch to a different device. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to Steam once you have logged into your account and then click on settings. Now from here, you'll need to go ahead and look for this option called remote play. And the first thing you need to do before you can pair your devices, go ahead and enable remote play. Now once this has been enabled, you'll need to go ahead and set a pin, or if you have a pin, it is okay. But if you don't have a pin, go ahead and set a pin, and this can be up to 10 digits. Once you have set your pin, you'll confirm it and you'll be good to go. Now to pair your devices, go ahead and click on pair Steam link, and here you'll have to enter your 4-digit authorization code that will be shown on your device to allow connection and play games. So go ahead and enter the pin, and then you will have paired your devices. So that's how you can pair your Steam account across devices. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.